Welcome to our review of the Simple Deluxe 20-inch 3-speed high-velocity heavy-duty metal industrial floor fan, perfect for warehouses, workshops, factories, and basements. This powerful fan delivers an impressive air velocity of 4,650 cfm, ensuring maximum airflow to keep large spaces cool. It features a 3-speed high-torque motor with rotary switches, allowing you to easily adjust airflow to your needs. The fan's ball-bearing motor is permanently lubricated, designed to run smoothly for years with proper care. Safety is prioritized with a reinforced wire grill, while the all-metal construction and aluminum blades provide durability and long-lasting performance. This fan is built for indoor use only and operates safely under a maximum voltage of 120 volts. Whether you need reliable ventilation for work or leisure, this industrial fan offers efficiency and toughness. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.